Ever wanted to learn how to crochet but don't know where to start? I've got you. In this video, we're going to be making a granny square, and it should take you under 30 minutes. It's a very basic pattern. It's a repeatable pattern, and it's very good for beginners. It is some orange yarn. I thought I'd use something that will make it easier for you guys to see the stitches, which I recommend for beginners. If you want to use darker yarn, go for it, but it will just be a little bit more tricky. I'm also using acrylic yarn. It's the cheapest yarn, and I recommend that for beginners. Start with the cheap stuff, learn the basic stitches, and then we move on. If you don't know the basic stitches, I have YouTube shorts up on my channel that you can look at that covers some basic stitches. That is in the majority of patterns, essentially. If there's any stitches in this tutorial that you don't understand or don't get, again, go look at those YouTube shorts that's available. This yarn was given to me. I can't remember where I got it from, but it's just some basic acrylic yarn. This is a 4mm hook that I'm using, and it's probably the most common sort of sized hook that you go for, really. If you're unsure as to what size hook you should get, it should say on the sort of label of the yarn that you've got. But yeah, let's begin. You're going to grab the end of the yarn, wrap it around your 2 fingers twice, cross it over, and just flip your fingers like so. Now grab your hook. I probably put the hook facing down, go in between your 2 fingers, and just hook that through like so, and then flip it around like so. Just take your fingers out and just pull. And that's a slip knot. Easy as can be. Now I just thought I'd jump in here and say how you would hold the yarn in your hand. So you'd want to put it underneath your pinky and then wrap it around your first finger, if that makes sense. It's so hard to describe. So yeah, just start off with a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to slip stitch into the first chain that we did. Again, also another tip, start loose. Okay. I like to put a finger in between, sort of like that, just so I know where to insert my hook next. But yeah, slip stitch, then chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use UK terms, and we're going to do a treble crochet. So 1 treble crochet into the hole that we made. So we're going to do 2 treble crochets. I'm just going to go through it slowly to begin with. 2. Now we're going to create the corner. So we go 1, 2, 3. Okay, chain 3. Then we're going to do 3 treble crochets. So we formed the corner now. So I've just done 3 treble crochets, and then now I'm going to chain 3 to form another corner. So 1, 2, 3, like so. I'm going to do another 3 treble crochets. So into the same hole that we created at the very beginning with the chains. So another E, like so. Ta-da! Yeah. And then I'm going to form another corner. So we're going to chain 3 again. Again, feel free to pause if I'm going too quickly, but I just thought I'd do the first bit quite slow. Okay. To do another 3 treble crochets. So 3 treble crochets. I do realize I'm going quite quickly at this point, but feel free to reel back so you understand. Feel free to re-watch as much or as many times as you'd like. So yeah, another one. If you're unsure as to how many times you've done a stitch, you can just count with this. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 corners, and to make the very last corner, as you can see, there's a little gap there. It's perfect. Now we're going to chain 3, 2, 3, chain 3, then slip stitch into the third stitch. Sorry, so 1, 2, 3. So that's that one there. Try and get both V, like there should be like a V shape on your hook, like so. And there you go. So that is round 1. In another video, I'll go through round 2.